Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about dewy bridal makeup. Let me know on the comment section what you think about this beautiful wedding bridal look. Watch this video to the end and remember to subscribe. Hey loves, welcome back. I started off by using a toner to simply just clean our skin. You don't want to work on a dirty skin, and for brides, you know they will be staying for the whole day, so you actually need to work on a clean skin, on a clean canvas. So I'm just using the Witch Easy Tear to clean our skin, and then I went in with the Mario Badescu setting mist to further hydrate and prepare our skin for the business of the day. And for each step on your skin prep, you need a mini fan to dry the skin properly, to dry up all the products before moving to the next step. And next, I'll be going in with the Snail Essence, my moisturizer. You need to moisturize the skin for a more hydrating and well balanced look. And then I went in with my primer from the Milk Hydro Grip to just apply on our T-zone. This primer actually do work wonderfully well. And you know, please, sorry about the hairstylist behind. Her name is Glory Wigangile. You'll be seeing her on the video because she's styling the hair. And then I went in with my glow oil to further prepare the skin for a more illuminating look. I actually wanted a dewy skin for the day. I went in with my setting spray from the Hydro Grip. It's one of those setting spray I recommend for bridal makeup artists to buy. And I'll be going in with these two shades of foundation, which is the MAC Cosmetics and a Nigerian brand V Beauty. See how this foundation is just sitting pretty on our skin, well blended. As in, there's something about foundation, you already know I mix 2 to 3 shades. See how our skin, our ear, our neck, our shoulder is all looking the same. This is skin in skin. Like, this is how I just love how my foundation should look. And then I went in with a setting mix from the Hydro Grip to further just apply after applying my foundations. Check out our skin. This is fresh. This is beautiful. And then I went in with these two concealer from the Kevin O'Quan to further highlight, and then I applied all my creamy product at once. I did my contour, I used the MAC foundation, and then I did a blush. I applied a blush, and then I'm just going to blend all of my creamy products all together. I love to do this step if I am going to be achieving a dewy makeup look. This is just how I love this particular step. I actually had to do this video in a vertical form so you can see that even with foundation, contour, concealer and blush on her face, her neck and her shoulder is still the same thing. I further went in to apply a little bit of blush on the tip of her nose. You shall know what I mean. During this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel, and this video is a detailed dewy bridal makeup. Just keep watching to the end and enjoy it.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
Hey loves, when I was done with the eyeshadow application, I applied a pigment glue on the eyelid before proceeding to applying my pigment. This helps your pigment to not fall out on the skin and to not make the skin work look rough. So I went in with a pigment from a Nigerian brand, the MK Beauty, and then I'll be using 2 different shades of pigment on the eyelid. So if you wish to try out pigment and glitter, or if you do not like applying pigment and glitter because of how messy they look on the skin, then get a pigment primer, a pigment glue. It helps to keep your pigment in place. You can see, I had to zoom in for you to see. You can see that there are no fallout on the skin. And then I further went in with my gel liner from Zaran Cosmetics. While applying the eyeliner, pigment did not fall on her skin. Take a look at her eyes and under her eyes. So if you wish to try out pigment, then go get a pigment glue.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you
I further went in with the glow from the Fenty Beauty Candy Corner to apply under her eyes, and then I'm moving on to my recent obsession, which is the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Man, this setting spray gives you airbrush kind of feeling. Take a look at this baby right in front of me. This is what I usually do when I want to achieve a dewy, not a matte, a dewy bridal makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching it because I enjoyed creating this look. It was time for the bridal hairstylist Glory Wig and Gele to do our own thing with the bridal hairstyle, and it was super gorgeous. Take a look at how beautiful the hair is looking from behind. Are you wondering what I applied on the shoulder? It's called shea butter. If you are planning on going out on a date and you want your legs to be glowing, just apply shea butter. Turning on and turning off, off on the light here, off it and turn it on. I want you to see that even without light, this glam is absolutely beautiful. Bridal robe is from a Delta State Nigerian vendor, Sonia Crafts. Let's go into the wedding dress. This wedding dress was a luxury one. It was absolutely stunning. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're watching till now, thank you. Please remember to share this video, like this video, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys.